Now we will be going to learn how to advertise, in the sense, for example, you haven't created a first time, your content is created a first time. You would like to promote that particular video. It may be having something like a promotional video, your ad it is. Okay, you would like to promote that particular video. Then what we have to do, we have to select that particular video here and go to these three dots options, select and say promote. Okay, we have to select promote. Once you have been selected a promote, it will open video promotion, advertising, sign up. It will ask to sign up for the YouTube advertising. Okay, then we have to say get started. It will take you to Google Ads. Okay, you already learned how to create a Google Ads. Okay, here it will directly start creating a ad. Already it has created an ad here. Just what we have to do, we have to give the URL which one you would like to. For example, someone click on your ad, which URL they has to designate. For example, if you are using any of the video, will show how this will work. We have to select some of the advertisement related video. Then you will come to know that, okay, if you selected this video,
So get this, everyone.
you can see here they have been given a website link, as well as it has been shown on a right hand side, start now, like this it has been given. Okay, this particular thing you would like to do, then what we have to do, we have to give the website link. Someone click on that particular video, it has to take you to that particular page. Then we say that particular page. Okay, then on YouTube and on Google Partners, or only YouTube, for example, where you like to place this particular ad. Would you like to place only on YouTube or other video partners also? I would like to place only on YouTube. Then it will be the preview. It is showing that how your ad will be look like. It will be like this. Okay, here you will be having a titles, everything. This is the way your ad will be. Then desktop, how it will be look in a desktop. On a top, it will show the desktop. Okay, here your ad will be here. It will be running on this particular section also. Then go to next. Now it is asking to location, in the sense the customer, for example, your ad need to be shown to the which location. We'll say only for the Bangalore, so that someone searching your ads, those are located in a Bangalore, for them only your ad will be shown. Okay, that is the target audience. Here it is giving that how much weekly you can expect. Okay, 27K times, in the sense 27,000 times your ad will be shown. Okay, minimum 8.3 times K, in the sense 8,000 viewers, 3,000 to 8,000 viewers we can expect for your ad. And average cost for your ad, in the sense 30 paisa to 1 rupees it will be. Okay, then you can say next. Now here we have to select the gender. For example, whom you would like to show, only the male and female, or I would like to show this particular age group. I don't want to show, only from 18 to 44 I would like to show, because you may be having that product will be suitable for that particular age limit. Again, your engagement will be changed right here. Then you can say next. Now here they are going to ask keep interest or reach people with a specific interest that you have been selected below, or keep interest as a broad as possible. In the sense, if you like to show the ads only for those who are interested in a beauty and wellness or food and drinking, okay, similar type, or if you like to show it for each and everyone, those who are like to, in the sense, no need to segregate, all can welcome, like that. Then go to next. Now it will ask for the budget, like daily budget. Would you like to give the 350? How much you would like to spend daily? We may say that 100 rupees, spending 100 rupees, so that how much we can expect, around 2000 views we can expect, 1000 to 2000 views, and 1 rupees per view it will be, or 30 paisa per view. Then we can say next. It will take you to billing information. Okay, it will give you the preview. Okay, the ad preview, which video you used, what is the description you have been given, okay, and where you are placing, how much is the budget, your performance, everything will be given. Your ad will be created in your Google ad account. You need to have a Google ad account. Previously we already learned how to create a Google ad account. In that particular Google ad account, you have been created a one more video campaign here. Okay, you can go to all campaigns. Okay, here you can check video campaign. If you like to pause that one, you can pause that one, like this you can pause. Okay, so like this you can create a video ads for a particular video you have been uploaded in a YouTube by using these three dots and promote.